Okay, my friends, so we're going to show you in this tutorial, this is a review and tutorial on how to book a Miami, Florida trip for just $79 for two people. And that too, basically for 3 days and 2 nights. Wow. Something spectacular like this. And that is on a secure website. Sometimes it's not available, but what we're showing you is a tutorial and review. We'll take you step by step through Google on how to basically go to these beautiful vacation deals. And if you don't know how, we're going to teach you how and review, and not only in detail the packages, but the price points, the promotions, how to book the correct deal. A lot of people go to this bookvip.com vacation package that we're going to show to you and get lost. We're not going to let you get lost, so we give it 100%. Let's start the tutorial right now. Thank you. Please remember to click subscribe and share. Thank you. Hello my friends, and today we're going to do a tutorial on Miami, Florida, the best vacationing deal available from bookvip.com. This is a tutor step by step to show you how to book this. It's the best, cheapest rate, and a lot of people can't find this deal, but make sure you share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon on our YouTube. You have to go through what is known as the booking correctly, otherwise you might book the wrong one. So let's start with Google. And if you go to Google, type in bookvip.com like I'm showing you, hit enter. It's the very first website, bookvip.com. It's a vacation package of America, and there are many multiple business partners that are here. So click on this website, and that's where you're going to find this amazing deal for $79 and 3 days, 2 nights for a couple, two people. Amazing. It's a flat rate. We're going to see other vacation packages also. Let's type in Miami, and it'll bring you to Miami, Florida, United States. Here's the vacation deal, Miami, Florida. BookVip.com is the most booked vacation website that I have ever seen, my friends. Like every second somebody books. It's amazing. And you don't want to miss this, because if you do, you might book the wrong one. So let's go down and let's look at the first hotel. It's the Crystal Beach Hotel and Suites right here. The $79 package for 3 days, 2 nights in a queen suite, sleeps 2 people, includes an outdoor pool and Wi-Fi. You can reserve it for $39. You can upgrade for $179 for 4 days. You add an additional day for 2 people, and you can reserve it for $39. You can view the deal and reserve it. We're going to show you. Let me show you something different though. Scroll a little bit down, and the price is a lot different. This is for this hotel, the Seacoast Suites. This sleeps 4 people. It includes mansion rides to a yacht tour for $299. You can reserve it for $299, $39, $499 for 4 days and 3 nights. So I'm just going to show you the difference in what you're booking. So let's go up and let's look at this hotel. Okay, so you're gonna read this. Make sure you read this section every time. And you're going to purchase it by hitting the reserve now. So if you hit the reserve it now, it's going to book it for you, and it's a secure internet connection. And here's the hotel. So it's beautiful, world class. You have a little bitty microwave and fridge. This is not a kitchenette, but the rooms are fabulous. Lobby, exercise, just amazing. Minutes away from walking shopping center, food, the beach. You're right on the beach. You're right on the beach. Exceptionally beautiful as well. World class. Jogging. And go up and go back. So remember, if you want the $179 deal, you have to go to the view deal section, and remember what you're booking right here. You have to make sure you know which hotel you're booking, why you're booking it. The prices are different. The hotels will give you different deals. Some will give you different free tickets, like the other one we're about to see. Seacoast will give you free mansion tickets. This is a boat tour, so you go on a boat. Let's look at this hotel. And the $299 deal, which is close to $300, you get 2 mansion tours and you get a credit at Book VIP. That's awesome. So what happens is you booked this deal for $300. Then you get a credit to Book VIP. The website that you're looking at will give you another vacation for free, basically. So you have a credit of $300. And that is the most awesome thing I've ever seen. So awesome, I have never seen such a thing. And this is 100% true because I've booked a Florida trip myself. So reserve it if you like the offer. Let's look at the hotel. It's world class, I'm telling you. And this has, it shows a little bit of a kitchenette. Make sure, they advertise and show many pictures. Sometimes they'll show a picture, and if they're all booked, they might not tell you. But generally, they will 100% of the time. About 1% it might not happen. Let me go and show you what the room has. So here it is. Make sure in your room description, you know which room are they booking. So there's only one room deluxe. It has each suite is fully equipped with a kitchen, a microwave, coffee maker, toaster, and refrigerator. It has a balcony, direct ocean view without a balcony. Okay, so some will have balcony, some do not. This one does not. Okay, that's what I was trying to show you. And or a direct bay view with a balcony. So most of them have no balcony, or some have balcony. And in this case, what they're showing you is it depends. They may not ask you. You might have to call in and say, I would like a balcony. If they have it, they'll give it to you. If they don't, they will not, But make sure you read the hotel details. It just depends upon what they have at that time. But exactly what you see in these photos is exactly what you get. This has a tennis court, oceanside, daily housekeeping, fitness center. And if you want to book it, reserve it. Now, you go up, click to the back button. I'm going to go down now. This is Alexandria Hotel. This is for $199. This is really nice. You do have 4 people that sleep, 2 adults and 2 children under the age of 12. Okay, and then you have an upgrade version, and this is very nice too. 4 days, and you can reserve it for $39. Let's look at the hotel. We clicked on the hotel. Remember, you always need to know what you're booking by looking at this little promotional area and reserving it now. And here it is, the beautiful hotel. These beautiful sponsorships will tell you this is a very trusted site, approved, accredited with the Business Bureau right here. So this is something you need to see too if you book. This is the hotel, your balcony, your rooms, living room area, kitchen. So if you really want to see the details, we'll show you. Make sure you see the hotel detail. This is a lagoon area, just spectacular, my friends. So beautiful. It's amazing. Some of these vacation deals look too good to be true, but it's not. I've stayed at one of these hotels in Florida. So here it is. So hotel room description. Okay. So here it is. You get what is known as 2 bedrooms, living room, dining room area, 2 bathrooms, TV with complimentary channels, wireless high-speed internet access, kitchen, refrigerator, microwave, and people 4. So I'm going to go up. So I'm going to go back, and then I'm going to scroll down. Here is another $79 deal, my friend, at the beach hotel. Look at the 3 days, 2 nights in a standard 2 double-bedded room, sleeps 4, and includes a heated outdoor pool. $99 is also a different deal, sleeps 4. As I said, whatever you want, you see. Let's see if they have a kitchenette. Remember, some people like kitchen. This is a great deal. For only $79, you get a $300 cash back on Book VIP credit. So you can book another vacation for $300. Where are you going to find that? Nowhere. So this is the best, the best. Reserve it now if you like. And vacation deals are always there. Monday to Friday, Sunday, Saturday, every time, anytime. It's you pick the date. You pick the date. It could be your birthday. It could be Christmas. It's that great of a deal. It could be New Year's. You just have a lot of fun. It looks a lot of fun. It is a lot of fun, and it's for a great value and cheap price. Remember to reserve. That's how you purchase it. And we're gonna go down and let's see what they have. It has a refrigerator, toaster, coffee, ironing board, air conditioning, closet, non-smoking room. 4 people stay here. There is no kitchen, but they give a microwave. If you want to upgrade, on this one, Superior 2 Double, then you have a kitchen. So remember, whatever you see is whatever you get. Let's go back up, go back to our beginning, scroll a little bit down. You see there are different price packages. Remember, the days change. This was 3 days, this is 4 days. Design Suite, Miami Beach, $299. So, 4 days and 3 nights in a luxury suite. Discover more. And we'll go to Design Suites, Miami Beach. This is one of my favorites. They have also a credit of a book VIP. This is a pop-up. See, the pop-up will bring you back to this area. No worries. The pop-up just made us go back. And our tutorial happens. Sometimes it'll happen. I want you to see that. So I'm going to click on Miami, Florida, United States. Don't worry about that. Just keep scrolling down to the same vicinity that you're at. This one, Design Suites, Miami Beach. Remember, they have a lot of pop-ups that come in, and I did that on purpose to see. Sometimes you'll go to a different website just being here. You don't want to be there. So Design Suites, Miami Beach. Click on the hovering icon. Each icon to the left and the right. I'm going to show you. See? Clear beaches. Clear. Beautiful rooms. So this is a review and tutorial of how to look at all these beautiful features. Some people don't know it. Some people are like, $299 must be for each night. No, it says right here. Price is for the entire stay, not person, not per night. Just the entire deal. And then go down. And what has hotel details, the room description. See? This has kitchenette. How beautiful is that? I love this hotel, by the way. So I have not stayed here, but I like the design suite package and stuff. I've stayed at the Florida package in what is known as Orlando, Florida. So that's why I know this website is truly real and remarkable. So $199, $249, $549 for these days. Mini fridge, microwave, luxury finish suite. Let's look at what they're telling you. They give a $300 book VIP credit so you can book again for $300 free. So cool. I'm just amazed. Look at the beautiful hotel. Luxury, luxury, luxury. And the tutorial really helps you understand what you're booking. So book your favorite vacations through here and share our YouTube. So share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Hit like and the bell icon right now. Subscribe because you really want to know where the best deals are. And remember, these deals are just for the hotel. This is not for the car, any rental car. This is not for airplane tickets. That's not what this is. Okay? This is just a hotel package deal. And make sure you read all the hotel overviews, especially the hotel details and amenities. Okay, I'm going to go back up. So I'm going to scroll down. And now we came to the end of the Miami, Florida. Hit the bookvip.com icon. It'll bring you back to the original place that we started. Once again, there are many, many vacation packages. If you don't know about this website, this is the first time you came here, look, the most popular vacation deals, and they are very friendly to your budget. $199, and some are to international trips like Mexico, and they include all the food and drinks. So I'm going to show you, just for an example, this one, Luxury Adult Punta Cana. You get $300 VIP credit, and you get to have $200 to shop there. And unlimited meals and alcohol. I mean, it is amazing. I mean, I don't know why you would book anywhere else. This is 100% real and 100% just great. Fabulous. I would say more than just fabulous. You know. So, and you can see right here, a lot of people book 2 hours ago, 1 hour ago, 3 minutes ago. That's what it's showing you 3 minutes ago. Just booked a deal. And make sure you know that you have to read each section. This is a luxury adult Punta Cana resort, so it's adults only. And some of these deals don't have kids, so if it says adult only, you can't bring children, okay? So remember, you have to read the deals, read all the inclusive details, and then reserve it. Reservation means that you have booked it, you have bought your reservation, you have booked the hotel. Amazing, isn't it? Just beautiful? Yes, it is. Okay, so now we're going to go down and click on bookvip.com. Now we're back here, my friends. You have seen everything you need. You can go to bookvip.com, type in Miami, Florida, and go back to the same place that we just showed you. This brings us to the end of our tutorial for the Book VIP Miami, Florida trip. We're going to go back and say thank you. Have a great day. Have a great vacation. Share, like, and subscribe, please, so your friends and family can enjoy these deals over again and they never run out. Thank you. Bye-bye.